Earth is more than just a planet, it's our home, the only known place in the universe to support human life. Today, we celebrate its beauty, its wonders, and why it deserves our love and protection.
Uy, ikaw pala yan?
Uy, ikaw pala. Ilan na-score mo kanina sa quiz?
Dun. 28 lang ako dun eh.
Tapos tama ba tong
Sige
assignment?
nga. Mali yan.
Sige.
Littering won't disappear. It builds up, damaging everything organic, and come back to us in ways we can ignore, which proves that what we do today shapes the world of tomorrow. So don't wait for a change. Be the reason our planet thrives.
Nagkalat na naman yung dalawang yun.
Try to get a grip on where I'm at and simplify this dizzy life and put my feet in the grass. I'm going back to
By reading poetry aloud, bringing words of love to life, with our religion, expressing love for nature. Words become songs, expressing love for the earth. In every verse, there is soul that will bring light to our world.
By reading poetry, connect with the feelings and thoughts of others, spreading love for nature and inspiring everyone. Let's enrich the world. Through love and care, we will help each other. By reading poetry, there is hope.
What made Earth beautiful for you?
English. Okay.
Pwede po Tagalog.
Okay. So, para sa akin, na ganda yung Earth kasi nga, God created it. And, syempre, lahat naman ng ginawa ng Panginoon ay maganda at wala namang hindi maganda na gawa ng Panginoon.
Okay, thank you. That's all.